Hi, my name is Jane. This is Graves Hall and this is my dorm room. In the dorm, we're gonna have two separate closets, one for you and one for your roommate. They have shelves that you can put anything you really want. You've got two different racks for clothes. Creighton gives you a desk, a file cabinet, and they also give you your bed, which you can loft. I personally like mine not fully lofted, and they also provide you with 3 drawers. Creighton also provides you with a fridge and a microwave. The fridge does come with a freezer. In Graves, you have a suite, so you have 2 other suite mates that you share a bathroom with. So you have 2 sinks. Each person gets their own little rack. You all get a drawer as well as your own cabinets. That's my room. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next year. Go Blue Jays!